Seated forward bend pose, Paschimottanasana. Paschima means west, or back of the body. Uttana means intense stretch, straight, or extended, and Paschimottanasana means stretch the back. Benefits of Paschimottanasana: extends the hamstrings, shoulders, spine and spinal cord, softens hip joints, treats sciatica and knee pain, reduce belly fat, reduce obesity, slim waist, hips and thighs, stimulates liver, intestine, spleen and kidneys, stimulates digestion, treats anorexia, reduces constipation, reduces stomach pain, treats female infertility, stimulate ovary and uterus, reduces symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort, treats male infertility, improves sperm potency, treats hypertension, insomnia and sinusitis, reduces headaches, stress, anxiety and depression. Attention: this posture is formally contraindicated for pregnant women. Do not apply to people with back injuries. Do not apply to people suffering from diarrhea and acute gastrointestinal disorders. Execution: Level 1. 2 hands straight out, clinging to the feet. Start with the staff pose, 2 hands on thighs or knees, stretch the back vertically, widen the chest, combine with 4-phase abdominal breathing. Keep your back straight, tilt your upper body slowly forward, push the pelvis and waist forward, 2 hands move on the legs to support the upper body. Two hands grab 2 feet. Always keep your hands straight, back straight, chest open and head up. Constantly push the pelvis and waist forward. Breathe in many cycles of abdominal breathing in 4 phases. Level 2. Place your elbows on 2 shins. From Level 1, continue to push the pelvis and waist forward. The head is always high. Hands pull both feet slowly and strongly, and slowly lower his elbows. Breathe in many cycles of abdominal breathing in 4 phases. Attention! Absolutely no stooping, bowing or rushing around like that. Come on, let's keep practicing properly. Constantly pushing the pelvis and waist forward, the head is always held high. Slowly place 2 elbows on the shin. Breathe in many cycles of abdominal breathing in 4 phases. Now the hands support the chin like this. Always push your pelvis and your waist forward. The abdomen begins to press on the thighs. Breathe in many cycles of abdominal breathing in 4 phases. Level 3. The forehead is placed between the 2 shins. Now 2 hands hold 2 heels. Keep pushing the pelvis and waist forward. 2 hands pull the heels slowly but strongly. Increase the tightness of both hands. Feel the maximum stretch of the lumbar muscles. Breathe in many cycles of abdominal breathing in 4 phases. Slowly put your elbows on the floor, so the back is simultaneously stretched and slowly lowered to the front. Move 2 elbows to gradually lower the upper body down. First the belly on the thigh, then chest on knees. 2 hands pull the heels slowly but very strongly. Lumbar muscles are stretched to the maximum. The upper body is glued tightly to the legs. And now place the forehead in the middle of the 2 shins. The hands continue to stretch the back and fix the bust to the legs. Breathe in many cycles of abdominal breathing in 4 phases. Hold this state for 15 seconds to a few minutes, depending on your ability, but here I will hold it with you for about 1 minute. However, if you can't, you can sit down earlier, and please repeat the practice several times. When you are able, continue practicing. Raise and lower your upper body in the following order: the abdomen presses the thigh, the chest presses the knees, and the forehead is put between the 2 shins. Practice as many times as you want. Then spread your feet. And the hands continue to pull the heels strongly to stretch the back and waist. The upper body presses on the thighs and knees. Then put the forehead on the floor. Drop your shoulders as low as possible. And finally, both hands let go of the heels. Whole body to relax on the floor. But the upper body is left to fall naturally over the legs. Breathe in many cycles of abdominal breathing in 4 phases. Good practice. Thank you and see you soon.